Unleashing creativity through the transformation of discarded industrial materials into captivating home decor represents a thrilling frontier for artisans and creators alike. In a world increasingly defined by sustainability and resourcefulness, moving beyond basic upcycling is essential. It involves envisioning iconic pieces that not only enhance living spaces, but also tell compelling stories. The challenge lies in discerning what to build next from an array of forgotten industrial remnants, such as metal components, architectural offcuts, and manufacturing scraps. Identifying the inherent design potential within these materials enables creators to conceptualize and execute unique, sellable furnishings and art, ultimately defining the aesthetic landscape of modern living spaces in innovative and thoughtful ways. Home decor while encapsulating the unique narratives of each piece. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. This channel is all about thoughtful crafting, artistic transformations, and budget-friendly decor ideas designed to spark creativity and make every space feel special. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds and get inspired. The journey begins with an appreciation for the variety of industrial materials that can be sourced from factories, construction sites, and salvage yards. It is crucial to approach these discarded elements not merely as waste, but as blank canvases full of potential. Each item has its own unique character, texture, and history, which can spark ideas for creation. For instance, sheet metal remnants might reveal beautiful patterns and finishes, while old gears from machinery could inspire dynamic shapes and movement in furniture design. The key is to develop the ability to see beyond the surface, recognizing how these elements can be reimagined into functional art pieces that contribute to contemporary spaces. This requires cultivating a mindset that embraces exploration and experimentation, encouraging creators to think outside traditional boundaries. Once materials are gathered, the next step involves assessing their structural integrity and design possibilities. Discerning creators consider how each piece can be manipulated, whether through cutting, welding, or assembling, to create something entirely new. Architectural offcuts, for instance, can be transformed into striking coffee tables or shelving units, with their raw edges and unique shapes contributing to an industrial aesthetic that resonates with modern design trends. Meanwhile, discarded metal components can be forged into sculptural accents or incorporated into larger furniture pieces, merging form and function. This exploration of practicality ensures that what is created is not only visually appealing, but also serves a purpose, elevating it beyond mere decoration to functional art. As ideas develop, the conceptual phase presents an opportunity to infuse personal style and narrative into the work. Each piece created from industrial materials can serve as a reflection of the artist's vision and experience. For example, someone who has a background in mechanics might draw on their knowledge of machinery to design a chair built from conveyor belts and old machinery parts, creating a functional seating option that maintains a connection to its industrial roots. This personal touch transforms each item into a statement of identity, allowing creators to share their stories with the world through their work. The beauty of crafting from discarded materials lies in this storytelling aspect, the ability for each piece to carry with it the history of the materials from which it was born, engaging viewers and users alike on a deeper level. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and helps shape the creative direction of Decor Ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments, and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Moreover, the process of building with industrial remnants emphasizes the importance of sustainability in contemporary design. As consumers become increasingly aware of their environmental impact, the demand for unique, sustainably produced furnishings rises. By utilizing discarded materials, creators engage in responsible practices that not only minimize waste, but also promote a culture of conscious consumption. This aligns perfectly with the ethos of modern living, where consumers seek not only aesthetically pleasing pieces, but also products that resonate with their values. Artistic creations born from industrial waste become symbols of environmental stewardship, reflecting a commitment to repurposing and giving new life to what would otherwise be considered refuse. The potential for collaboration further enriches this creative process. Engaging with other artisans, designers, or even engineers can open up avenues for innovation that one might not have considered alone. Collaborative efforts can lead to unique strategies for combining various materials, fostering an environment where ideas bounce back and forth, leading to exciting new concepts. Workshops and community events centered around industrial material transformation can create a collective space for sharing techniques and insights, resulting in pieces that embody a synergy of vision and skill. These collaborations cultivate a supportive atmosphere that empowers creators to push the boundaries of their imaginations and skill sets while transforming discarded materials into something magnificent. As creators conceptualize their projects, it is essential to think about the final presentation and context for their work. Designing unique, sellable furnishings involves not just the creation of the piece itself, but also how it fits within the broader narrative of modern living. For instance, an industrial-style dining table crafted from reclaimed wooden pallets and metal framing resonates with the aesthetics of open-plan living spaces, which favor simplicity and functionality. Similarly, a series of wall-mounted shelves made from discarded metal sheeting can serve as eye-catching focal points in a minimalist design. Ensuring that the finished pieces align with current design trends while reflecting a commitment to upcycling elevates their marketability, allowing artisans to reach a broader audience and contribute more significantly to the evolving landscape of home decor. Feedback from the market can also serve as an integral component of the creative process. Participating in art fairs, local markets, or online platforms offers invaluable insights into consumer preferences and trends, enabling artisans to refine their skills and adapt their offerings. By engaging with potential buyers and receiving their input, creators can identify which elements resonate most with others, adjusting their designs accordingly. This iterative process enriches the craft and encourages continuous learning and improvement, ensuring that the art they produce remains relevant and compelling. The emotional connection forged through crafted furnishings made from discarded industrial materials cannot be underestimated. Offcuts and manufacturing remnants, creators can conceptualize and execute unique, sellable furnishings and art that resonate with modern living. This transformative process encourages a culture of responsible consumption, inviting others to join in the conversation of sustainability and innovation through their homes. As we move forward in defining the aesthetic landscape of contemporary spaces, the possibilities for what to build next with discarded industrial materials are boundless, embodying the spirit of creativity and resourcefulness that define our time. With each unique piece crafted, we not only elevate our environments, but also contribute to a narrative of sustainability that inspires future generations to embrace the beauty of artistic transformation. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.